ji, Ashish ji, over NIXI board director Bindu Madhavan ji sitting with us, Balaji, officers from CDAC, CAs and other firms. Good morning to all of you. Of course, the details of today's conference or workshop is already briefed about Arvind ji and Ashish ji. Of course, I am not expert in that area. But I can only tell you that why we all are important. That is very, very important. India already has more than 850 million broadband users, perhaps the biggest in the world. Because although it is said that China is moving, but China figures you and me can't trust. That of course is beyond this. Similarly, if you see from the use of broadband, not only number of broadband, from the use of broadband, again India is number one with the highest data uses per user per month. Now, because of these kind of ecosystem which is built up, now you have seen that Government of India is already pushing fiber in all villages. Almost all 6 lakh villages which are populated are going to get covered with the fiber and definitely the broadband. Now, as Arvindji has said that there are several projects which are world-renowned projects, Aadhaar, UPI, these are increasing. So what is basically happening is that the entire GDP of this country is dependent on digital growth. And not only, the GDP, but I used to say that our personal working is now dependent on this digital. Official working is dependent on digital, and I think all businesses are now glued with the digital growth and digital aspects which are available with us. And because of this, the trust of using those digital infrastructure become paramount and very, very important. And that is the reason we at NIXI decided to join the growth of certifying authority, because we are dealing with the infrastructure of internet. NIXI is the world largest internet exchange provider globally today. We are already having 45 internet exchanges in the country, whereas the second largest globally is Brazil with 33 exchanges. NIXI is dealing with the domain. This is CCTLD domain. So we are dealing with .in and .bharat. .bharat is available in all 22 languages. So .in we already have 3 million customers and we are growing. We are the fastest growth in Asia Pacific region. NIXI is dealing with internet protocol addresses. So we provide and delegate IPv4 and IPv6 addresses. So dear friends, I am very happy to inform you that India is again global leader in IPv6 deployment and adoption, with 79% of the devices which are available in India, they are all IPv6 enabled, and we are number one today. NIXI has already delegated more than 12.5 billion IPv6 addresses in country and almost 11.5 million IPv4 in the country. So looking at this and then joining hands with certifying authority for providing the DSL, e-sign, SSL certificate and all those things, I think it is a marriage which is of common interest. But what we believe, that there should be a confidence in each and every Indian, then whatever product and services they are using from digital world, they should have a trust, and that is what the meaning of this particular day is, the web trust. ICANN, United Nations, whenever they are discussing internet governance today, the main thing which everybody is discussing is about the trust. And that is what is happening in internet today. There are several countries, although we believe in internet that is one internet, one word, but there are certain countries which have started their own IP addresses. They are talking about creating their own internet space and fragmenting the entire internet. And these are dangerous signals which are coming. I don't know how we are going to cope up. So I think it is very, very important uh, for today's meeting that we should emphasize on the trust. We should work on it. And important is that the responsibility on the soldier of all of us who are sitting here and who are online is that we have to ensure to every citizen that whatever product you are using is a trustworthy product. So I think the efforts of CCA and NIXI will be there in the next few years to come, is that everybody is providing a trusted product, without compromising this. And definitely people should feel that when you are in India, you are safe. And these are the words which I just wanted to echo with all of you also. And I wish that we should, when we go from here, we should have a different feeling that yes, we are responsible to build the trust. We are a responsible citizen. We are a responsible businessman to ensure that the digital world of India is trusted. And we are going to provide this. NIXI is with CCA and we are working together hand in hand, and we ensure that the tomorrow's digital India is totally trusted. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.